In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Trello boards using Rewind, ensuring your important data is safe and always recoverable with minimal effort. Let's get started. To begin, head over to Trello.com and log into your account. You can choose your preferred method, whether using your email, Google account, or any other option you have set up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Trello dashboard where all your boards are displayed. Take a moment to acquaint yourself with the layout if you're not already familiar. Now let's select a specific Trello board you want to back up. Click to open the board, and when you're there, look for the Power-Ups menu at the top. Power-Ups are a fantastic feature in Trello, allowing you to integrate additional functionalities to enhance your board's capabilities. They make Trello much more versatile and tailored to your needs. Inside the Power-Ups menu, click on Add Power-Ups. This action will bring you to the Power-Ups directory. It's like a treasure trove of tools and options available to Trello users. Use the search bar at the top to type in Rewind. The exact name you're looking for is Backups for Trello by Rewind. Once you locate it, click Add to start the installation process. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation to add the Rewind Power-Up. Simply click Add again to fully integrate Rewind into your Trello board. This integration is an essential step as it prepares your board for effective backup management. Now that Rewind is added, look for the button labeled Go to Rewind Backups. Clicking this will take you to the Rewind Setup interface. Here you'll need to click Allow at the bottom to grant Rewind the necessary permissions. It's a simple yet crucial step to initiate your backups. You'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all your Trello boards. From this list, you have the flexibility to back up all your boards by clicking Select All, or you can choose specific boards one by one, depending on what you truly need to secure. For a seamless experience going forward, you might consider enabling the Automatically Backup New Boards option. With this feature, any new boards you create will automatically be backed up, saving you the hassle of returning to this setup process in the future. Once you've made your selections and configured these settings, click Next. This step confirms your backup configuration and ensures everything is prepared for the final activation. To start using Rewind, you'll need to enter your payment details. Rest assured, you're signing up for a free trial, so there's no initial charge, and you're free to cancel anytime if you choose. Go ahead and provide your card information, then confirm. And there you have it. You've successfully set up automated Trello board backups with Rewind. Your boards are now protected and ready to be restored whenever you might need them. It's a straightforward but vital step in safeguarding your data. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep all your important projects secure.